welcome back to the Motor Kitchen. Today, we're gonna be hitting this pallet ramp with that mini bike. Going to make a test lap. There is no brakes, we just completely took them off, but our stunt man has to get a feel for the bike.
I'm sitting on the first one.
Taking a lap. When he gets back, he's hitting it, so here we go.
Oh, good.
I don't see a single thing that could go wrong.
Shepherd, that was crazy, wasn't it? You burned?
Oh!
That was crazy.
Nobody else do that, Lucas. Do not.
That was good, David.
Oh, that was awesome.
God, I can't believe how high up you got. Shepherd, that was crazy, wasn't it?
Oh man, that might be your new.
Dave.
That could be your.
Damn!
Hell yeah.
The battle scars. The battle scars of mini bike jumps. Hey, still runs perfect. Who's next?
That was nice. That was nice.
Ethan's next.
No, I'm not next.
I think we're gonna call it on the jump.
Probably smart.
And I think we're gonna go.
No, we're not.
I remember.
Yeah.
I remember there.
We're gonna call it, I think, on the jump.
No, I remember.
He's lying. We're gonna jump this thing. He's gonna jump this thing, and then we'll call it.
And then we're
That's
gonna
only
do
right.
And then we're gonna do a time trial. I don't know about it, dude. I don't know about it.
You're acting like a bit of a chicken.
Stay right there, Chevy, because he's gonna come quick.
Dude, I need you to start
$5. $5 says that he doesn't do it.
I agree.
He's thinking about it too much. Should he stop?
Oh. Oh yeah. The buddy's not coming.
Chevy, come over here.
Shepherd.
Look at all them chickens down there. All them chickens.
Chet, move.
Come on. I knew it. I knew it. Oh my gosh.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way I'm hitting that.
You're thinking about it, I'm telling you.
Ain't no way I'm hitting that.
Go around the house and just go.
If Lucas doesn't do the jump, you should unsubscribe from this YouTube channel.
Negative subscribers.
Yep. He just lost one right here behind the camera.
All right, well, I gotta get some shin guards.
I'm almost 33 years old, and I did it.
Exactly.
After a quick trip to the design team, engineering lab as well. Thinking about something.
Lucas, you need to get a
You ready? All right, let's do it.
Damn it!
You didn't get hurt. That's a win.
Dang!
The GoPro flew off too.
And it's still recording.
Ew!
There you go.
Golly.
Is it scary? What are your thoughts on it?
Yeah, it's scary. As soon as you leave, it's just like the worst. Like gut leaves your, like your, you know when you go over a bump, it's like.
Yeah,
That's what I felt like my stomach just dropped.
There goes $5.
This is This is the damage that we're dealing with though. The front tire did come off the bead. But we'll fix that, no problem. Especially around in the motor kitchen. Ain't that right, Caleb?
Yep.
Talk to him.
Idiots. Oh, oh, oh! It's burning in there.
I'm gonna go grab a ratchet strap and we're gonna tighten it real tight around the tire to make it press out to the beads, press air in it.
Be careful.
No, be careful.
Engineering right here.
Hell yeah.
They don't ever give you enough credit, Luke.
They don't, do they?
Nope.
You're at 15 psi.
I am?
Or 10.
Dang, that's good. Yep.
Oh, I need to let some air in that tire. How about that though?
Tell him.
That's called engineering.
That is.
It's not on.
Oh, it's not?
No, it's not recording.
Yeah, we're dialed now. All right, now we've all hit the jump. It's time we do a little time trial around the backyard. Everybody gets one lap. Quickest lap wins 20 bucks.
Ooh,
There we go.
that's good money. Motor kitchen.
On the motor kitchen. We're gonna walk the track. It starts right here where the mini bike's at. We'll go this way, around that wooden pole, back down to this far corner. There's a log down there. We'll go around that. And then there's a log down here in this corner. We'll go around that. And then you finish, you go around where the mini bike's at, and you finish through this bird bath. This corner down here, we're gonna do a 360 around that log, and you have no brakes, so it's kind of sketch, but it should be fun. We got Ethan going first here. All right, ready, set, go. He might. It brakes on its own pretty well. 360. That run, we won't count it. All right.
It should count against him.
Hey, we'll,
5 more seconds.
we'll,
360 around that piece of wood over there.
yeah.
All right.
We're gonna give him a second try. We feel bad for him. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. The 360. He's out of it. Last turn. Get it, get it. 29.49.
That makes it harder.
Yeah.
Big Mac.
We accidentally missed the GoPro footage on the first run of Ethan, but we got it going here, so. Ethan with an official time of 29.4. Now it's time for Caleb. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, he's slow. He's scared of the turn. .09, officially second place.
So I've used this strategy pretty much every time we've done a race. It always works. Where I start counting early, I'm about to do it again right here. These idiots don't know what's about to happen. What? My helmet was not sitting right on my head. Woo!
Person number 3, here we go.
I'll count out to 1, 2, 3, go.
All right, I'll start it on you.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
One.
Cheater. The typical Anders move. Oh, he almost goes down. Here we go.
I'll count down. Say 1, 2, 3, go.
All right, I'll start it on you.
Okay, ready? 1.
The sketchiest run of all time.
Golly. What's going on?
With an official time of 44.8. What was going on out there? What was going on out there, Anders?
The bike is not built strong enough to work the way that I'm riding it.
Okay, that's the issue.
I'll tell you what the
Need more
problem was.
With a sign of 40 or with a time of 44 seconds.
I'm about to cramp.
I'll tell you what the problem was. There must be a weight limit on this thing.
Oh!
You'll catch me, brother.
All right, I'm last here, last run of the time trial. Let's see if I can keep up with everybody else. I think I'm gonna win.
You know the number to beat.
Big squirts with a 29.4.
Does it have gas in it? Oh gosh. Almost went through the house. Three, 2, 1. That was a smooth exit. Woo! 25.95. A little squirrely.
What was my time?
25.95.
What?
25.95.
Woo! I smoked everybody.
Barely. You barely beat Anders.
Guess they didn't get enough riding during the time trials. They've started to do wheelies now. I don't know how this will end.
Wheelie, baby!
Park it, bud. Park it.
You get the
I forgot we don't have a brake.
We don't have a brake. We don't have barely a seat that works.
I will say, the bike's held up great.
I agree.
Yeah.
It's been dumped 3 times.
It took a damn beating today.
Yeah, it did.
Anders, you almost killed it. Tried my best.
Hey, I would say today was a success. Hit the pallet ramp. Our boy survived.
Barely.
Minibike survived. Did a little time trial. I won. But hey, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys next week. Peace.